Are you looking for the ultimate inflatable waterslide rental in Manlius, New York, to make your next event unforgettable? Big Kahuna Party Rentals has you covered with the best waterslides in town, guaranteed to bring splash-tastic fun to your summer celebration. Whether you're planning a backyard party, community event, birthday bash, or family reunion, our inflatable waterslides provide non-stop entertainment for guests of all ages. We bring the excitement to your doorstep, ensuring a memorable and hassle-free experience. Our waterslides are fun, safe, sanitized, and thoroughly inspected for your peace of mind. Plus, we offer hassle-free delivery, setup, and pickup, so you can relax and enjoy your event without stress. Big Kahuna Party Rentals has various waterslide sizes, perfect for small backyard gatherings and significant events. Whatever your party needs, we've got the ideal slide to keep everyone entertained for hours. Ready to dive into the fun? Contact Big Kahuna Party Rentals today at 315-806-2172 or visit our website at www.kahunaparty.com. Inflatable Waterslide Rental Manlius NY to book your inflatable waterslide rental in Manlius, New York. Let Big Kahuna Party Rentals make your event a splash-filled success.